Alright, so today we have a huge upside on BTC, and when price climbs as fast like this, usually it will drop at the same speed. So what I did is that I took profit manually. Usually I let my bot sell automatically, but today I'm not that greedy. I took profit. If we look at the BTC chart, we can see that the upside is not that much in the weekly. We still have a lot of space to go up, but we're reaching a resistance here on the daily. You can see it pretty well. This is what I drew here. So I'm just being safe and selling right now, taking my profits and waiting to see what's next, right? Same on Ethereum, we're having the same kind of pattern here with a resistance around here, drawn by 3 points. So same thing, I'm selling. BNB, we had breakout, we had the MACD cross, we had some volume, good volume here, but I'm expecting to see a correction around here, so 270. So that's it for today, guys. A quick update. I wanted to say that I updated my charts right here, so the 3 bots that I'm running. So if you want to copy the chart, just go on my Discord. There's a link in the description. You can click on charts and copy the settings automatically. In order to automate, if you don't want to miss the entries, if you want to trade when you're not looking at your screen, to automate your trading, you can go on my website. There is a bot page that I just updated a few days ago. New design, works on mobile phone as well. So you can create bots like this. Click here, click create bot. For example, here I created Ethereum bot, and you will be able to see your results, your stats, your history, your logs, everything you need to know. Also the bot message and stuff, but this is not a tutorial, I'm just saying that. Here, for example, BNB, you can go 1 year history if you want. Alright, that's it, guys. I don't want to make a long video, so hopefully I will make another video in a few days. What I'm expecting is to see rise in altcoins, so maybe I will create some new bots for stuff like altcoins like Solana, for example, stuff like that. We'll see. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.